Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to view your sales history on Stockx. So congratulations on your sales, and to check your sales history is something very important since it helps you to analyze the market, helps you know what is your winning product and how to scale it more. Now, how can we view our sales history? It's very simple. Here we have the viewing your sales history on Stockx Pro. So with this, you will have the full, this is a full article that explains to you how you can get into this page. So you can view information from your past sales history section of Stockx Pro. In this area, you will be able to view the product name, the size, order number, sale price, and sale date and status. For example, here we have this Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The size is 9, this is the order number, this is the sale price, this is the sale date, when here we have the status which sale has been completed. Our completed and cancelled sales will appear on the history page, and you can click on any individual order to view the payout breakdown, including your ask fees, payout, and sale dates. Searching or sorting and filtering are also available on this table, similar to the other section in Stockx Pro. So this is a very cool feature which you'll have with the Stockx Pro. So you need to actually get use of it. As you can see here, this is something that you will really need in case you were going to analyze the market. And as you can see here, for example, just by looking at it, you can view which product is the winning one and scale as it goes by and see that people are actually paying for higher prices. So you'd go for higher prices as time goes by. Because people, as you can see, it went from $111 into $123. So people are really wanting this product, so you can scale it up and do marketing about it and basically look for more products with the size 9. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.